So today I'm going to talk about how my NEET 2026 went. Actually, as this was my third attempt, but somehow it was with the partial drop with an already existing medical degree, which was BMS. Somehow, I'm not very fond of this degree, but still got enrolled into it. But when I went to the center, I wasn't as panicked as I was in my last two attempts, because somehow I felt that this is not the only option I have. Somehow I felt that I'm really safe. I have nothing to lose. So I gave it with a very clear mind, with a very free mind. I wasn't scared. I had a will to get into MBBS college, to get a decent score, to get into government MBBS college. But I wasn't and I was desperate also, but I wasn't scared because I had nothing to lose. Somehow, when I went to the center, when the exam got started, I still could not complete the whole revision of my biology. I did not even touch physics and chemistry, and somewhere at that point I knew that it's impossible that I'll get selected. But then I was like, okay, if I've filled the form, at least I'll go, I'll try to attempt, I'll try to do as much as I can. To be honest, uh, since last 10 to 15 days, too many worst bad things came into my life. Too many worst bad things happened in my life, which maybe I'll talk in some another video. But somehow that just broke my courage, that just somehow demotivated me, that just discouraged me, and it just affected my mental health to such an extent that I could not even recall what I already knew, let alone learning new things. So and plus with that, my term and exams were already going on, which were like of 100 marks of viva and 100 marks of theory papers, like in any other medical school, in which I'll have to score 50 plus in both viva and theory. So it was hella difficult for me to survive this April month. Somehow yesterday I gave my NEET, today was my anatomy paper, and now it's all over. Like, now there's just some small projects and stuff like that I'll have to submit tomorrow, and rest it's all done, and I'll have my summer vacations. But somehow I just learned that, yeah, I mean, maybe it's okay to move on. It's okay to not feel like a failure when the circumstances are way too much heavy on you. I just learned that maybe, like, each one of us have our own struggles, each one of us have our own stories, but the society will see, like, now, like, as I'm already in an existing medical college, there's no, and I did not even told anybody that I'm preparing for NEET, and I'm again appearing for it. But somehow, for normal aspirants, where the whole society knows, where even your dur ke rishtedar knows that you're preparing for NEET, it just becomes so much heavy for that 17, 18, 20 somewhat year old child. You're still a kid, even if you're 20, 21, 22, you're still very much young to somehow bear all this pressure, like the pressure of your expectations, societal pressure, relatives जो सिर्फ टॉन्ट ही मारते रहते हैं, financial pressure, like, the pressure to become independent. It doesn't even matter, even if you're a guy, if you're a girl, you still have that pressure that you have to somehow, like, after an age of like 19 and 20 something, it just hits hard, like, when you see that you're just sitting at home, just being a 12th grade pass student, and you're not even enrolled in any college, and people your age are probably in their second last year or last year of their college, and soon they'll start earning, and you're still here sitting with your 11th 12th grade syllabus to crack an exam. I know it's very hard because I've gone through it, but this year I was more like an observant, because anyways I knew that I will not be able to crack this exam. I was more like observant, and I just observed that how I was feeling, or how I was so less scared, or how I was so different from the other aspirants. And somehow I feel that this time it somehow helped me to manage with my stress, with my pressure. Because इससे मुझे एक चीज़ पता चली कि हम जो भी एंशियस होते हैं ना, कि हम जो भी स्ट्रेस लेते हैं ना, ये मोस्टली हम सोसाइटी का, फैमिली का प्रेशर लेके हम बहुत ज़्यादा एंशियस और स्ट्रेस में आ जाते हैं. इफ़ वी जस्ट थिंक अबाउट अस, वो स्ट्रेस बहुत ज़्यादा कम हो जाता है. एनीवेज, लेकिन अगर आप उनमें से हो जिन बच्चों का, आई नो, सी मैं क्या ही अलग बोलूँगी, बायो इजी था, फिजिक्स मॉडरेट था, केमिस्ट्री मॉडरेट था. आई वुड से 2024 से हार्ड था, 2025 से इजी था. बट था, मतलब एक मतलब ऐसा भी नहीं कि सबसे ईजीएस्ट पेपर, ऐसा भी नहीं था. बायो बहुत इजी था, लेकिन समहाउ इट वाज काइंड ऑफ ट्रिकी एंड आई डोंट नो, एंड इट वाज लेंदी ऑल्सो, अ बिट ऑफ लेंदी. सो समहाउ यही था भाई, जैसे सबको गया वैसे मेरा गया. एंड आई जस्ट नो, एंड I did not even calculated my marks, because I know that I'm not going to get selected, and I'm just somehow trying to move on. And if you're somebody who is planning to take a drop, or if you're somebody, like, if this is your last attempt, I think you can have a break of like month or two. Please sit calmly, please think calmly, please take decisions wisely. प्लीज़ किसी के भी इन्फ्लुएंस में आके कोई भी डिसीजन मत लेना. लाइक बीट एनी डिसीजन, लीविंग दिस नीट ट्रैप, or maybe enrolling into a different degree, different course, or maybe enrolling in any medical degree, like paramedical degrees, anything, like if, or in alternative medicine degrees. It's upon you, like you can, but please sit calmly. Please do not rush with your decisions. Please do not get influenced by anybody. Please, for this 1 to 2 months, do a deep research. प्लीज़, क्या होता है ना कि मैंने बोला ना कि इंसान जोश में आ जाता है कि ये करना है, वो करना है, एक पॉइंट के बाद फिर रिग्रेट होने लग जाता है. तो तुम्हें वो रिग्रेट नहीं होना चाहिए बाद में. सो अभी जैसे 3 साल दे चुकी हूँ नीट, तो एक, और अभी फर्स्ट ईयर में हूँ एक मेडिकल डिग्री के, BMS. तो समझो एक बड़ी दीदी हो के मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगी कि हो जाएगा सब कुछ अच्छा एट द एंड. इवन इफ़ यू डू नॉट गेट MBBS, you will figure out something and you will get whatever you want in your life. It's okay, not everybody is made for the same degree. Maybe something better is waiting for you. Maybe you would change your field after graduation. Maybe you'll get paid way more much than a MBBS doctor. Who knows, maybe something better is waiting for you. So I'll just tell you that even if अगर आपका पेपर गंदा गया या कुछ भी गया, this too shall pass, this will pass. And please do not get affected by relatives' taunts or society's taunts or anything. They're not going to come and pay your bills and feed your family or do anything for you. All they know is to just give taunts. So just fuck them off. Like, you don't need to worry about them, and please focus on your career, and please do not get affected by any negativities around you, because as I have gone through that phase, I know that how much it affects for a student. Like, कोई कुछ मतलब अनजाने में भी बोल देता है ना, बहुत दिल पे लग जाता है, क्योंकि यू फील, मतलब उड़ता तीर लेने की आदत पड़ जाती है. पता है क्या, जब तुम ड्रॉप लेते हो, ड्रॉपर होते हो, नीट एस्पिरेंट होते हो, किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के एस्पिरेंट होते हो. सो ऑल आई वुड से इज दिस टू शैल पास, एंड होगा सब कुछ अच्छा ही होगा. एंड आई वुड रिकमेंड यू कि 1-2 महीने खुद को दो, थोड़ा रिलैक्स हो जाओ, एंड देन figure out that what you want and what you do not want. And if this video reaches to a decent decent amount, if this video gets decent amount of views, and if I get like and if you all want like video on whether to take a partial drop or not, then I'll make a different video on that also, and I'll upload it. So thank you, that's it for now. This is all I had to say, and all the best. You're gonna thrive wherever you go. All the best. Bye.